Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be assembling this honey butter slime. So let's get started. So looks like we have some paper glitter or glitter shards or whatever you want to call them. I call them glitter flakes, but you can call them whatever you can or want to call them. So you like those little black dots, and then we have the yellow foam beads, and then of course we have our honey slime. It's so pretty. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna dump this out because it doesn't make much sense to me to keep it in there. I'm gonna scoop it out. I'm trying to use my mixing tool so I don't leave my fingerprints on it, but it's very sticky. Okay, that's just like the majority of it. But yeah, from here on, I'm just going to be very quiet and I'm just going to assemble it so that it's very satisfying. So that's it. Let's get started. It is a little sticky, if you cannot tell. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!